Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 113188. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs underpowered. Timing chain has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,675 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999